Could you learn? Could. Of course, you could. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another video in our series about English language learning. Today, we are delving into the exciting world of polite expressions, focusing on the word could. Could is a modal verb that is versatile and widely used in English, especially when making requests or asking for permission in a polite way. Stick around as we unravel its usage and examples. Could is a modal verb in English. It is the past tense of can. However, could has various uses. One of the most common ways to use could is when making polite requests or asking for permission. It softens the tone of our requests and makes them sound more respectful. For example, instead of saying, "Can you pass the salt?" which can sound a bit direct, we could say, "Could you pass the salt?" which is much more polite. As we've just learned, could is often used in questions to make them sound more polite. This is especially true in formal situations or when you're speaking to someone you don't know very well. For instance, instead of asking, "Can you tell me the time?" you could ask, "Could you tell me the time?" Remember, even though could is technically the past tense of can, it doesn't mean the question is about the past when we use could. The key here is the politeness factor. We can also use could in statements to show possibility or to make a suggestion. For example, if you're discussing holiday plans, you might say, "We could visit the museum on Tuesday." Here, could suggests an option or possibility, not certainty. Finally, it's worth mentioning the negative form, couldn't or could not. This is used to express impossibility or to politely decline an offer. For example, "I'm sorry, I couldn't complete the task," or, "No, thank you, I couldn't eat another bite." And there you have it. We've broken down the usage of could in different contexts to help you polish your English skills. Remember, could is your friend when it comes to making polite requests, asking for permission, suggesting possibilities, or even turning down an offer gently. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, keep exploring the world of English.